they were the one that seek help from the Bini, because me, I always, even though I'm angry with you, I always stand for the truth. I will speak the truth. They are the one that meet them for help. That makes them to change their name to whatever. Is it Enogie? Yes, Enogie. But right now, they are in problem, which I don't know how they can come out of it. But if they want solution, my contribution is they should stand as Igbanke that they are, because I don't want the situation whereby they will be moving from fire to what we consume them. You understand? The way it is now, every tribe are dragging everybody, not to drag people. Where were you people all these years that these people have been in that region? And now you just come out from nowhere and start claiming them. And I want to tell the Igbanke people, just stay your lane, just stand as Igbanke people. It's better for you people to join your Eka people, because I see a lot of Igbanke people in this place I stay. If they want to do meeting, they do meeting with Eka people. I never see them doing meeting with Bini or Igbo. They always stay with Eka people doing meeting. I'm surprised now they are coming out and say we are Igbo, we are Igbo, we are Igbo. Please stay where you will have value, where people need you, not where people will tell you you are fake. Imagine even the ones in the east self, they are telling some of them that they are fake. Talk less of you who are in Edo State. You people should just stand and defend your Igbankeness. Don't let anybody to pressure you because you title rapper, because you have for market day, because you speak similar language that make you to be Igbo. It's not truth. You are who you are. If you people are saying you are Igbo, that means where you are a migrant. Tomorrow the Bini can say they are the one that give you that place that you are staying. The Edo people can say you should leave that place because that place did not belong to you. You should move and go to the east. So what I'm saying is that don't make a mistake, because we all that is standing for you people today, we will not be alive to start coming back again to say no, Igbanke people are not my Igbo. They are not Igbanke. That is why we are telling you people, stand on your ground, defend your Igbankeness. Stand. No tribe is too small. No matter, even though you people are 1,000 population, you are a tribe, you are a tribe. Just stand on your own. Let people to know how to help you. These one people are changing from Eze to Enoge, tomorrow to Obi. Why not just change it to Igwe?
I've said it time without numbers that this life is balanced. Now you know stand well. Ndị be anyị si okwu na ị ga-azọ mana ntị nụ na-ama nzọ. But I keep saying it, even if you forget, internet will not forget. This is how these guys created a WhatsApp group. I've been at TikTok or Twitter space and was insulting Ned Nwoko when we decided to plead for Anyoma State. Hey, he's a stupid man, he's a crook. If you doubt me, I will bring evidence. He was a crook. He wanted to do it because he wanted to be the governor of Anyoma State. You know, they want to appease the Anyoma land. All these Igbo people want to vulcanize the Anyoma land. Just few months down the line, that one more state was proposed. None of you guys open mouths to insult the House of Reps that proposed those ones. But only Ned Nwoko be thief because you people hate Igbos. Only Ned Nwoko be crook, he want to be governor. When I don't start again. Now look at the statement. The Igbanke should remain Igbanke. They should not associate themselves with Igbo. The funniest thing is that it's like going from pine to fire. So you agree, say, where they did now? Oh boy. Oh boy. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. This is very funny. Go to school, you say no. School now scam. You don't reach now. You don't even know why a tribe or a village can be cut into a place. Travel, you go say no, why should I travel to? Like some Yoruba guys will say, why should I leave southwest and go to where it's not progressing? Best where they live for but with brown roof, go the young people where they live for mansion. 2 years back to back, now Igbo they do every December. Igbo people in the southeast, they show their mansions. None of them fish show. New ones every year. When I know fish show one, but I go they make math. because when one place in Lagos is developed. Now if they call Lagos now, not be saying no Kokomaiko, not be saying all these places are just Lekki and VI. Now everybody they shout Lagos, Lagos, Lagos. You go think saying everywhere be like London. You see, I've told you people, use logic, use evidence to checkmate what we are saying. That is the truth. If you study geography, I'm a good geography student. Map reading is one of my best courses in geography. Go and check. Plotting and compassing. And that's why I'm a good navigator when I'm driving. Because I know terrain. I can look at things and understand how the topography is being worked or created naturally. That's why I love nature. I can go to waterfall and catch fun without going to Mr. Biggs or ShopRite. You guys don't want to learn. I've told you this thing. I've been to 774 local governments in this country. I know Nigeria more than Tinubu because he has not gone to all the whole local government in Nigeria. In my 7 years quest of my first job, I visited every local government. I didn't say every village because now go they listen, but now they hear. You'll be hearing something and the different thing that you go to interpret for your head. I'll be saying I'm Igbo man, but what you're hearing is Biafra. Because people just great hatred. This is what we are saying. See, now, if you say you study geography, you will know that there's a topography that can make them cut a village into. In Ebonyi State, let me give you a specific example. In Ebonyi State, there are people who their village is in Ebonyi, but their farm is in a Benue. Go and verify. I'm not telling you they say. They cross every morning. They cross from their village to farm in another state. Because topography are things they put in place to create a state. It's just like when we wanted to create data, Onitsha supposed to join, or Gbadu supposed to join. But they say, let's use the water as a landmark to divide the two of them. After all, now the same Igbo place. But today now, Anambra, Onitsha is Igbo because it's in Anambra. But Asaba is not Igbo. Or you will say it's fake Igbo. That's not a problem. So if look at this map, if you look at it, you see the research we put into place to find that information. That's why I bring this map to show you. Look at the map. You see the reason why Igbanke was caught and John Edo, so that the place will be straight. Of course, if you're a good geographer, you know even the map of the world are not straight. Land, you can buy land that is not straight. There's no land anywhere that is square. Yes, you can cut in a state, cut a square land, but we know that no village or city or town that is square. So sometimes when they want to do something, they'll say, after all, I want Nigeria, leave them, let them join these people. But the way it be now, nobody will leave each other to join anybody. Because when they join now, when I claim to on a land, it be. When I not get sense. I said the time with that number, there are a gala people in Anambra. I've not seen where Anambra is telling them, say they go pursue them, come out. There are a gala people in Delta, in Anyoma, Epu community. There are Yoruba people in Delta, the Olukumi community. We know that also okay now migration they come, but once they yes able people do other people's state, una don't die. Una won't die. Igbanke is Igbanke. They should not claim the Igbo. They should just stay on their own. Oh yeah now. Go, I've told you people are the terrorists, but you always say that IPOB is sponsoring everyone. Go and kill them. Make we clap for you. Next Fulani terrorists. I'm out of here, Joe.